Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today is my first 1,000 subscribers. Well, I'm very thankful for all of you for supporting me, for supporting my channel, and because of that I will show you how to make the fermented fruit juice. This is one of my secret formula that I'm using in my organic way of gardening. Look at my okra, it's about time to harvest. I just planted like more than a month and now it's ready to harvest. And I just want to give thanks to my pastor, Reverend Timothy Stewart of Bethel Baptist Church. Thank you so much, sir, for always inspiring us on our daily lives and for sharing the words of God that inspires me also to share my knowledge in gardening. So to my family, my wife Glenda, and kids Alessandra and Sander, thank you so much for supporting me also. You are my wind beneath my wings. To the group of backyard gardening in the Bahamas, headed by Miss Elaine Ann and Mr. Keno Moss and the rest of the member of it. This video is for you also. I know you are waiting for this, and because of that, for your support of your group to my channel, I will promise to upload like every 2 days regarding the gardening that might help to your garden as well, and also the rest of my formula on gardening or the organic. Guys, I'm here now at the food store at the Super Value, so I'm going to look for the banana and then the molasses that I'm going to use. So okay, but in this case we will need to find only the banana that is overripe, so the price could be cheaper than the regular banana. So okay guys, so we are here now. The price of this banana is 1.11 per pound, and this is one of the ingredients that we need for the fermentation of fruit juice. And then I normally go to this section to find for the cheapest price, which is the overripe banana. But if the overripe banana is not available, you can use the ripe banana. Okay guys, and let's go to this section, and this is the molasses. This molasses is one of the main ingredients, so the price is $6, but for the small quantity only I use this molasses. For volume you can use a gallon, and we need this one also. Okay guys, so let us start now with the process. So I have here the overripe banana and the molasses and the brown sugar. And if the molasses is not available in your place, you can also use the brown sugar, and the ratio of this is 1:1, banana, molasses, or brown sugar if molasses is not available. You can use also ripe papaya, ripe pumpkin, or ripe guava. Okay guys, so we have chopping board, knife, and then the gloves, and then next is the plastic jar, and the last one is the paper towel. Okay guys, so let us start now with the procedure. Let us slice the banana into small pieces, and then always wear your gloves for to avoid any contaminations. And then just put it into your jar. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also like as well, and then share with your family and friends so they know also the process or the procedure on how to make the fermented fruit juice, and it is rich in vitamins, and for the early stage of flowering of your vegetable and for your fruiting plants, this is best, and it will give you bigger and sweeter, especially with your strawberries or any other fruiting plants. For our chicken, I mix this also on their drinking water so they can absorb enzymes and hormones to make them healthy as well, and good growth, because it has a growth promotant and it boosts their immune system. And the usage of this is 2 tablespoons of fermented fruit juice per liter of water. Okay guys, so we are finished on slicing the banana, and always keep your working place clean, and we are going to put the first molasses into our plastic jar with the slice of banana, and then get the next one, and then guys, we are almost finished with this procedure. And then guys, if you have a comment, just if you have a question, just comment below and I will answer you back. Okay guys, so we are finished now with the molasses, and you can keep the molasses glass for other purposes guys. So this is our sliced banana with molasses, and it's already coated, and molasses will work together on banana for the fermentation process. And clean the top of the mouth of the jar. And then guys, next is we need to cover that with a paper towel. We used paper towel because during the fermentation process it will create more gas, and if you cover it, I'm telling you, it will explode the jar. So just always use a paper towel, so at least they can escape the gas that they can create. So guys, and next is get the rubber band to put on the top of the jar to hold on the paper towel, and then and store in a cool dark place, because that's the best place and perfect environment to multiply the microorganism of our fermentation process. And next is we need to put a label on it. So DOP means date of production, so it's 4/27/20. And after 7 days of fermentation process, you can get the juice, and you can still continue the process. The remaining banana, just cover it again with the paper towel, and then until the remaining banana will turn into liquid. So guys, after 7 days, this is our fermented fruit juice, and you can start spraying on your vegetable plants. Just follow the directions. 2 tablespoons of fermented fruit juice into 1 liter of water, and then you can spray even twice a week on the leaves or by foliar spray. And the good thing guys of using organic liquid fertilizer is you don't have to worry of overdose, because this is organic. Okay guys, thank you so much. Next week again,